So this is a little introduction to the inside of the Tacoma SR Package. Power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. We also have your traction control, your automatic high beam switch that will automatically dim for you at night, and your bed light off, on, or tied in with the door. Up here we do have your headlight switch, which you can just leave on high beam when it's in the auto mode with the other button pressed in, and it'll do all the high beam, low beam switching for you. Down here is your volume controls and your station selection, along with AM, FM, Bluetooth, different modes. Hold that down and it will mute the stereo for you. The voice activation button will tie you in with Siri or with your Android Auto. When those are not hooked up, you can just connect to the Bluetooth to make phone calls and change the radio station. Hanging up on a call, answering a call, all Bluetooth functions. Over here is the controls for your front MID screen. So if we go over to the beginning here, we have your speedometer, your distance to empty, which we can reset there, and a bit more information along with your safety sense, any warning messages, and different settings, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and other settings. Your tachometer, your speedometer, full tank of gas with every new car purchase. Down here you can also change the distance with the dynamic radar cruise control. You set it down here and it will adjust to the speed of the vehicle in front of you. Your lane departure alert you can turn on and off at any time while you're driving if you want to be notified when you cross over the line unintentionally. In this model, it will not steer you back to your lane, but it will let you know that you've been drifting. Over here, all the information for your infotainment system. The home button will take you to this screen that you can alter and change as you want. The menu takes you kind of into the brains of the vehicle. Your audio, telephone, apps. Projection is for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto once you have it plugged in to the USB port. Information is just on fuel economy and different things like that, and then setup is to get in and change a few of the other features. Clock, language, projection settings, again with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, you can turn those on and off. Different themes, Bluetooth, audio, phone, voice, change all kinds of settings on there. Once your phone is plugged in, you can also hit the map button to bring you to Google Maps. Over there, selection of stations, taking you to your phone screen, or again to the different apps available on the vehicle. Coming down here, we have your four-wheel drive system. Most of the time it will be in two-wheel drive. You can switch to 4 high anytime you want if you see kind of some slippery conditions up ahead, and switch back, I think at any speed below 100 kilometers an hour. The four-wheel low, you would actually have to put the vehicle into neutral. Switch this to 4 high and then press in and turn to 4 low. That's only in very, very tough situations where either you're going through some deep snow, mud, or sand, or you're towing something very heavy over rough terrain for a very, very short distance, such as pulling someone out of the ditch. Your front mirrors for heat, your fan control, temperature control, and mode control for your different vents. Down here, even our base model has the heated seats, electronically controlled transmission power to give you better towing capacity, or towing power I should say, and also to give you a little bit extra power if you need to pass someone on the highway. Turn that on or off at any time. Your USB and your 12 volt charging plug as well. Besides that, it is just a beautiful interior. All the windows in here, or at least the front two, are automatic one-touch windows. The safety sense system through the camera up top here and also through the radar on the front will offer you the pre-collision system, lane departure alert, automatic high beam, and dynamic radar cruise control. Well, I hope that's been a good introduction for you. Any other questions, just contact us here at Charlottetown Toyota, 902-368-3330.